How's it going, everyone? My name is Mark Milano and welcome back to another Adobe Lightroom tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix bad exposure spots with the adjustment brush. And it's going to be a really simple and easy tutorial, nice and quick. So let's jump right in. So to start off, we could already see some bad exposure spots where this photo was taken. Very bright on one side of his face, kind of dark on his nose. And that's just not what we want when we want to go ahead later on and edit color. We want to fix that before we go ahead and do it. So to start off, the first step is to go ahead and hit K on your keyboard. Just hit K and it's going to bring up the adjustment brush tool. Now what we want to do is we want to raise the adjustment brush by using the scroll on your mouse. So just bring it up, just roll it up like that, and I'm going to keep it like this because it's going to get a nice wide range of the nose, and I'll go ahead and I'll drop it there. And now we want to go up to the top right corner over here and we want to raise the exposure by just clicking on the box and then using the up arrow key to raise the exposure. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to raise it up and you can see already the exposure is going higher. So I'm going to keep it like that. I think it's perfect right there, about 160. We'll do one more for good measure. And you can see the nose is now fixed with that bad exposure. Nice and bright, matches the rest of the face. And there's only one more spot that I truly want to fix on this photo, and that's his ear. It's way too overexposed. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit K again, and it's going to make us a new adjustment mask, and we're going to do the same thing. So I'm actually going to lower it, work around on his ear. Actually, no, I'm going to higher it a little bit, make sure his ear is good, and I'm going to lower the exposure by going to the exposure button, and then instead of raising it with the up arrow key, we're going to lower it with the down arrow key. I don't want to do it too much, but I think right there should be perfect. So we'll go ahead, we'll hit done. And just like that, we fixed the bad exposure spots on our photo. So now we could go ahead and we could edit the coloring and edit the highlights and make our photos look sick like this one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope it helped you guys out. Let me know in the comment section below how I'm doing. Leave some constructive criticism. I'm always over for that. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to watch more videos, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, my name is Mark Milano, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'm out.